Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you how to create new profile. To create new profile, swipe down from the top of the screen, select Test and select Create Profile. Create. Now enter profile name. Select Avatar. Now you can associate your device or do it later. Profile has been changed. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.